Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make crispy fried chicken tenders. To a bowl, add buttermilk, or if you don't have buttermilk, here's my substitute: whole milk and vinegar. Leave this alone for 15 minutes. Here are the cleaned chicken tenderloins. You can buy them just like this or cut chicken breast into strips. After 15 minutes, it looks a little curdled, like buttermilk. Add hot sauce and mix. Add the chicken and mix well. Leave this aside for 2 hours. For the crust, to a bowl add all-purpose flour, large eggs in another bowl, and panko breadcrumbs in another dish. These crumbs are larger than regular breadcrumbs and make a crispier crust. To the flour, add salt, garlic powder, smoked paprika, you can use regular if you don't have smoked, and cayenne powder. Add salt to the eggs, add salt to the breadcrumbs, mix everything up. First, we dip the chicken in flour, then eggs, then breadcrumbs. Have a plate ready to put the coated chicken on, and a plate or pan lined with paper towels to drain the fried chicken. You can also drain the chicken on a rack over a sheet tray. Let the excess buttermilk drip off the chicken, put it in the flour and coat well. Dip the chicken in the eggs next. Let the excess drip off, and put the chicken in the breadcrumbs. Use your other hand to press the breadcrumbs on the chicken. Set the coated chicken on a plate. Heat up a pan with enough oil to deep fry the chicken. Test your oil temperature with a ball of the mixture stuck to your hands or a thermometer. It should be 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Gently drop the chicken in the oil and cook for about 5 minutes or until golden brown. The pieces of chicken are not thick and they cook very quickly. Drain and serve hot. If you like things a bit on the saltier side, sprinkle a little coarse salt on the tenders right after you take them out of the oil. These tenders are great served with ketchup, honey mustard, or sriracha mayo. The outside is crunchy and the inside is soft and juicy. Marinating the chicken in buttermilk really makes a difference in the texture of the meat. Give these tenders a try and let me know how you like them. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.